Hi guys. This is Igorotech. Today, I will show you how to enable Telnet and SSH on Windows 11 without any application or third-party application needed. This is also applicable to any other Windows operating system. Telnet is network protocol used to virtually access a computer and to provide a two-way, collaborative and text-based communication channel between two machines. SSH serves the same primary function as Telnet but does so in a more secure way. Let's begin. First is we are going to enable or install the Telnet feature. For this demo we are going to use this FortiGate. By the way, this is not a physical device. This is a FortiGate VM I just installed on VMware Workstation. This is very useful for FortiGate new features test or lab activities. You can check the guide on the description below. We are going to remote access to this IP address. As you can see, Telnet and SSH is already enabled for allow access. We are not going to install any application for us to use the Telnet or SSH features, we can simply use the command prompt or the Windows PowerShell. Let's do a test first. Telnet followed by the IP address of the server, which in my case is 10.1.1.12. Since Telnet is not yet enabled, then you will encounter this error. Telnet is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. To enable the Telnet, go to Search. Type Control Panel. Choose and click the Control Panel app. Choose Programs. Under Program and Features, you can click on Turn on Windows Features on or off. Windows Features will pop up on another window. Another way is click on Program and Features. At the left top of the window, click on Turn on Windows Features on or off. Windows Features will also pop up on another window. Alternatively, the easiest and simplest way to open Windows Features is go to Search. Type Features. Choose and click Turn Windows Features on or off. The Windows Features window will pop up. Scroll down and look for Telnet Client. Check the box to select. Click OK to proceed. It's now searching for required files. It will automatically apply the changes. Windows completed the requested changes. Close the window. We will test again to Telnet to the Telnet server. We will simply hit the up arrow to recall the last command. Hit Enter. Telnet is now working. We are now able to access the server, which in my case is the FortiGate virtual machine. It's very simple, right? We don't need any application or terminal emulator like PuTTY to access the remote server. Next is we will enable the SSH or secure shell. We will first exit the remote server and also clear the window. Let's test the SSH on this command prompt. SSH followed by the remote server IP address. You will encounter the same error if it's not yet enabled or installed. SSH is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. To enable or install the SSH, right-click on Start. Choose Settings. Choose and click Apps. Select Optional Features. You can scroll down to see if the SSH is enabled or installed. You can also use the search feature, which we can see the SSH is not yet enabled. To install the SSH feature, you can see the Add an Optional feature at the top. Click on View Features to view all the available features. You can scroll down or simply search for SSH. We have the Open SSH Client and Open SSH Server available. Since I want to use this device to SSH to the remote server, then I will choose Open SSH Client. You may choose Remote Server if you want to enable this device as SSH Server. You can expand the down arrow to view the information. It says that this is for secure key management and access to remote machines. Click Next to proceed. You can see the list of features that will be installed. Click Install to proceed. Open SSH Client is now being installed. Wait for it to finish the process. Once completed, you can see the status is installed. Scroll down and you will see the Open SSH Client, or you can simply search for SSH. Let's now go back to the command prompt. Hit the up arrow to recall the last command. Hit enter. SSH is now enabled or installed. We can now use the SSH feature. Well, that's all for today's demonstration, and I really hope you liked this video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and click on the notification bell for more amazing tutorials. Thank you and see you in the next video.